I've just been watching a very interesting interview with investigative journalist Coulthart that talks about mysterious incursions by large drones over sensitive sites. And here in Denmark, our top authorities are saying that we are under a hybrid attack. But even our defense minister and senior military leaders, they can't really explain where the drones are coming from. And even more importantly, how they can fly for such a long time right over our airports. That raises some serious concerns and questions, not just for national security, but also for everyone that flies our drones responsibly. Don't know me already, my name is Henrik Olsen. I've been working with drones since 2010, from building them myself to teaching safe drone operations. I run Tech Drone Media and Denmark's largest drone club, Mini Droner DK. And on YouTube, I share tips, reviews, and tutorials with my over 125,000 followers worldwide. What really strikes me and what Russ Coulthart underlines is how strange this all is. We are told these are drones, yet they are described as large aircrafts with lights and long flight times. They apparently don't show up on radar, are not using normal drone frequencies, and in the US, even advanced anti-drone systems haven't been able to bring them down. Think about that. In a small country like Denmark with modern air traffic systems, these aircrafts can't just appear over airports, linger, and then leave completely untracked. And here's the key question. If this really were a foreign actor, why would they risk flying such advanced technology over civilian airports in Denmark? It makes absolutely no sense. And this is exactly the same pattern reported at US Air Force bases and European military sites. Objects that behave like drones, they flash lights almost like they want to be noticed. They appear and disappear with impunity. That's just not unusual, it's unprecedented. And here's my worry. When the public hear drone chaos, they immediately think about hobby pilots are to blame. But this is nothing like a hobby drone. A DJI drone or similar can't fly for hours or evade radar. The pressure will land on us, the private and the professional pilots who follow the rules. We've seen it before, new restrictions, more red tape and less freedom. And the irony is that won't solve the real problem. So yes, these incidents are a national security issue, but they are also a threat to our community of drone pilots. That's why it's more important than ever that we fly responsibly. Know the rules and show the public that we can be trusted. If you want to stay updated on drone news, safe flying and how to get the best out of your drone, then make sure to subscribe and check out maybe my drone club if you are locally in Denmark, Mini Droner DK, where we stand together for responsible drone flying. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.